What's going on, guys? Today I'm bringing you unboxing for HDPVR, component HD AV cable, and a 22 inches TV like I wanted to. Okay, so first we'll start with, let's go with the HDPVR because that's the most exciting thing ever. And the second thing that I did is I canceled the Roxio gaming capture device because I thought it would be waste of money and waste of time, so I just canceled it up and straight up just bought HD PVR like this. It's so sexy. My friends use it, and I will use it now. So let's start doing this stuff. Here we go. Took out the plastic stuff. Oh my god, okay. So, next is, I'm gonna open this nice and clean and sharp. How does this work? Oh, I mean, go, blah blah blah. And I bought this from the store. I didn't order it online. I just went and bought it. So, here it is. Oh my god. Right there. You get this when you open the box. So first thing we'll do is open this up. It just opens. Oh yeah. So this is the HD PVR itself. Then what else do we have? We have a disc. That's probably the program you record with. We'll check that later on. Then a bunch of paper. What is this? Turtle Beach. I think it's some kind of discount on Turtle Beach shirts or some shit. This is an instruction. We'll put that on side. That's the wire that connects to your computer. Holy shit, that's huge. And yeah, that's what she said. So this is the wire that goes into the HDPVR and to the TV, I think, or Xbox. One of them. And this stuff, which I have no idea what this is. We'll check that later on. And there's a little tiny box left, which is... what is this? Adapter, which you connect your HDPVR with. So that's pretty much it from the HDPVR. I'll show you guys what we got in total. Is this, and the disc. So here it is. That's the wire, that's the HDPVR, that's the disc, that's the cables that have to be connected and stuff. So here it is. That's the HDPVR. Now we're gonna move on to a TV, I think. So you gotta put this on the table. Okay, let's put this on my table for now so we can connect all that stuff later on today or tomorrow. And I'll show you my gaming setup. Alright, so this is going on the side. Okay. TV? Yeah. TV it is. Okay, so I bought this sexy ass TV. It's really cheap. It's the most cheapest TV I've seen in my life, like no joke. I never opened TV in my life either. How does this work? So I open computer screens, monitors, but this is just weird. It's like there's like you have to open it from the middle. Okay, let's try that. Okay, hopefully that's gonna be the right side. If it will be the other opposite side, that would suck ass. Open, nice sharp, nice neat. Oh my god. So we get this little plastic thing, and here it is. Yeah, I did the wrong side. So, evil, the remote, some of this plastic shit. So you gotta get rid of, get out of my way. So TV, cable, remote, and the standard, which you put on the TV on, and the guidebook. So this one was easy and fast. Let's put it on the side. So I got remote, this menu TV, which is Samsung. My friend told me it's sick, so I took it because of him. And some dude commented on my video, so check this guys out. TV, 22 inches. That's the standard. That's the remote and the guide, or whatever that is. So let's put my phone back on this. Okay. So I'll just put this a little bit on the side so I can open my VGA cable, which connects your Xbox to TV, which makes it HD, high definition, which is a really good thing, so you can guys see every single detail in my videos. So Xbox like usual. They put all like things inside. Come on. Should have used a knife instead of scissors. I need a man weapon. Okay, so. Oh shit, I'm cutting the paper. Not the. Here we go. Yeah. So it opens like this, that. So I'm guessing slides out. There's manual or some stuff. You take out the plastic, take out this plastic. There you go. That's the component cable for the Xbox. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. I'll be making my computer setup tomorrow, which will be right here. That's my computer. That's my monitor, which just went to sleep. That's my, come on, focus your phone. Okay, that's this, then that's that. My speakers. My keyboard slides out. So that's it, guys. So look how it is right now, and look how it will be later. So peace out, guys. This was V-Shots. Have a good day.